But this is just my account.
Did you get in there? Ah, shit. If I had another one right here, I could pull on this end.
We're on, but the back slid off.
Hey, what's up, squids? Welcome back to another vlog. I am running some errands today and I wanted to take you along with me. My friend, he just bought another fixer-up bike, so I'm heading up by him now to help him out with that. So I'm gonna give him a hand. I think he's changing the carburetors on it and doing some other little things on it. I'm loving these grips so far, guys. No complaints just yet. So I stopped to get some fuel real quick and then I'm gonna head up by him. I'm not getting anything to eat. I already had breakfast at home already, so I'm just gonna head straight up by him right now. Alright guys, let's get back on the road and head up by these guys. So my friend is working on this DRZ lookalike bike. Not exactly sure the name of it. He sent me a picture, I'll pop it up here. But when I get up there, you'll see a better look at the bike. He said he wanted to change a clutch on it. I think he said the bike came without a clutch, so he doesn't know exactly how to install it. He's been looking for some videos online and he can't seem to find anything. So I guess, I don't know if he has it. I don't know if he ordered a clutch. I don't know if it came in yet. So I'm gonna go up here and see if the clutch came in. We're gonna try to install the clutch. I forgot what else he's installing. Some other little knickknacks. We'll see when we get up there what else he has. Guys, if you find these videos helpful or entertaining, smash that like button. If you care to, you can subscribe. It helps the channel. As the channel grows, a lot of these dealerships will start allowing me to test ride the bikes. But I have a very small channel, so people aren't really interested in helping me. The dealerships aren't really that interested in helping me. But as I start to grow, they'll get interested in helping the channel. All right guys, I'll see you when I get up there. Straps for it. Let's do it, Homer. Let's do it. Okay guys, so I made it up to my friend's house and I was totally mistaken about the bike. Apparently he has two bikes and they're both missing different parts. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pack these bikes up and take them to his mother's house, because his house doesn't have a garage he can work on these bikes. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna pack these bad boys up and take them to his mom's house.
Reality, only missing like 4 parts to get running.
You gonna break something?
Break him.
So it's missing like 4 parts?
Yeah.
Oh, I see some parts. Oh, carburetor.
What?
Alright, so this is gonna be a project. It's missing a lot of pieces. This is some real backyard work here this person did before we got it. Missing the pieces, but
I don't want to order all these parts and it not run. Yeah, he's got this thing rigged out too to get the headlights working. There's a little wire over here we gotta plug in.
a wire?
Yeah, I think it's this wire right here we gotta plug in. Now we'll get the headlight to work.
watching. Okay guys, we made it up and we're gonna start working on these two. So we got some parts. So we're gonna get started. This is the new carburetor for which one?
That's all these. Both these are for the RT.
RT, okay.
And this is the brake and combo reservoir for the DT. I thought the bike was in gear when they released the straps. Apparently it wasn't in gear and it wasn't going in gear. There was no clutch. Oh my Christmas. Okay, time to get bike number 2 off the trailer.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
What we have here are two older Yamaha bikes. You got the TW 200 or 250, not quite sure. And then we have the another Yamaha RT. I believe it's probably the same 250 as well. So we're gonna get working on these two today.
All the parts that he had ordered for the bikes did not come in, but we have enough to get the RT up and running, so we're gonna start with this one first.
So you got the seals?
Yep.
Not seals,
The washers, yeah, everything came with
washers,
it.
yeah.
What's up, buddy? I think it's gonna be good. You think I should go more this way? Check it right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
What are you looking for, Anthony?
I wonder where to find my sockets. I haven't. I put them away, and then Jackson got a hold of them.
You gotta use a mouth full of white stuff.
Gotta pay the bills.
Only fans on me. Alright, so the master cylinder is on. So what we gotta do now is open it up and put fluid in it and try to bleed the lines and everything so we can get fluid coming down and get some brakes working. It does have pads in it.
Might have to pump it down there first.
So you gotta put that air filter on now. It's right here.
Did you get that clean?
Got this clamp over here. Oops, no, you gotta come up somewhere. Nope.
Make it work. That's the only one we got. Just gotta get the bottom back on.
Is it on?
Over here it is.
It looks over. It's on over here too.
Yeah.
All right.
My God.
In there. All fucked up.
I mean, work. Oh. My God. We're stopping and starting now.
Really?
Yeah.
And that just fun?
I know, I saw. Back brakes go pretty good though?
Yeah.
I don't got them too tight.
No, not at all.
Look at these rock lights now.
Okay guys, quick recap. We were able to get the RT up and running with the little parts that we did have. We have to wait on the parts of the other bike to come in so we can finish that one off, but at least we got one of them up and running. Alright guys, it's time for me to get out of here and head on down the road.
Well guys, that was an interesting day. I worked a little on some Yamahas, F1, F1500. We got a little ways with the Yamaha. I think it was the 185, I think that one is. We got a little ways with that one. We got the carburetor on, we got the brake on, and I think, no, sorry, not the carburetor. We got the air filter on, and we got the brake master cylinder on. So we got a little ways with that one. The other one, we're still waiting on parts for that one. So when that comes in, we'll probably take a look at doing that one too. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, smash that like button, subscribe if you care to, and I will see you guys. Remember to keep your eyes on the swivel, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, and I will see you in the next one. Pieces, guys.